Hi everyone, so today I'm going to talk to you about basic brioche. Basically, if you tried to just knit in 1 by 1 rib in 2 different colors, you just have a bunch of strands of yarn basically. It wouldn't connect together. So what brioche does is a way to knit in these 2 colors, one after the other here, and for it to actually be connected all together. So if you think of it as sort of like this 1 by 1 rib idea, it makes it easier to read. So you're basically doing knitting and purling. But what you're going to do is you're going to go across once and do all of the knits, and then go across again and do all the purls. And that's actually on the light side, and then on the dark side you do the opposite. You always want to start with the light color on each side, but on the dark side, see how the dark color is coming towards you, and the light color is going away. So that means that the dark color is going to be the one that's knitted on this side. So you would start with the light color, but you're going to purl. And in order to do that, so I have my light color here. You always knit this first stitch with the light color, in my pattern at least, the selvage stitch. Anyway, so what you do is you purl this stitch with its yarn over here. And then you make a yarn over and slip the stitch that's the knit one. So that's how you're keeping this one coming forward. And then on the back it creates a knit stitch for the light side. So you're gonna purl, slip, all the way across. And if you notice, I'm slipping the dark one and then purling the light one with the dark yarn over, all the way across. So now we're coming to the end of the row, and we're with the light color, but we're on the dark side, so we're slipping, purling, slipping, purling, slipping, purling. Slip, brioche, purl, slip, and then this last one we're going to slip with the yarn in front, like that. Now what you have to do is go back and knit all of the stitches that you had slipped. So we're going to slide our work back to the other side and basically do it again. So knitting one light and then one dark actually creates one normal row. So here's the dark side. I'm going to slip with yarn in back for the selvage stitch. And then I'm going to slip yarn over, because that is what we had purled before. So we're going to slip yarn over it, slip, and then now we're going to knit. Yarn over, slip, knit. Yarn over, slip, knit. And all the way across to the end. And at the end of the dark side, we're going to slip it with the yarn in back, so that we're ready to go for the light side. Now when you're doing the light side, it's the opposite. So if you see on the light side, the light color is coming towards you, and that means that that's the one that's going to be knitted. We always start with the light side, the light color, on the light and the dark side. So when we're on the light side, you're going to start out with the light color, but you're going to slip and then you're going to knit instead of slip and then purl like we did on this side. And then you're going to slide it over and do the dark side, the dark color on the light side, and now the dark color is the purl. So you're going to slip yarn over the light color and then purl the dark color when you're on this side. I hope that helps explain how to do basic brioche.